how to grow fast and easy. So the idea is basically putting your voice in your soft palato. The yam sound, do you know the yam sound? Find this placement and then take a deep breath. Do this sound like a gorilla. And then you do some staccatos with that. In other words, felt your belly getting tight. You felt your muscles here. Hold it in the abs of the strength. See my chin in the front. That help you a lot. This heavy sound happen. And then start to open your vowel for ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. And then play a little bit with your tongue. Put it on the phone. Here. The teeth. Always think about your support with these tiniest muscles here. You can do high notes too. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You sound like more black metal stuff. Yeah, 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 yeah. So that's the fucking idea. Enjoy.